the phone stops ringing, they all point fingers at each other. The reality is your digital marketing needs to change. One shop might need a heavy push on Google Business Profile activity today because their competitor just opened up down the street. Another might need a better website content to show up in AI search results tomorrow. Every shop owner who is looking for a magic bullet in auto repair shop marketing is asking the wrong question. Every single week, I hear the exact same thing from guys running shops across the country, and they ask me, should I SEO? Should I do more Google ads? Should I post more often on Facebook? And here's the hard truth. None of those things are going to fix your car count by themselves. If you're looking for that one single tactic that's going to save your shop, you're chasing a ghost. It doesn't exist. I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast, co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. The shops who are winning online right now and are keeping their base packed aren't doing one thing better than you. They're just doing the critical things more consistently than you. Think about it like a diag. If your truck comes in running rough, you don't just throw a set of spark plugs out there and then ignore the fuel injectors or skip the air filter or ignore the timing and then hope for the best. You look at the whole system because you know that if one piece is failing, the whole truck runs like garbage. Digital marketing for auto repair shops works the exact same way. Your website optimization, your local SEO, your Google Maps presence, your reviews, your citations, your local service ads, they all feed into each other. And if your website is slow, your Google ads won't convert. If your Google Business Profile has 0 recent reviews, your local service ads will cost you more money for fewer phone calls. It's all connected. The mistake that most shop owners make isn't doing the wrong thing. It's the mistake of buying a bunch of disconnected services from 3 different agencies who never talk with each other. You've got an SEO guy who doesn't touch ads. You've got an ads guy who doesn't care about your website. You've got a local kid posting generic stock photos on your Facebook page. When the phone stops ringing, they all point fingers at each other. The reality is your digital marketing needs to change. One shop might need a heavy push on Google Business Profile activity today because their competitor just opened up down the street. Another might need a better website content to show up in AI search results tomorrow. You don't need another disconnected marketing tactic. You need someone actively managing the digital marketing system, the digital marketing platform. If you've been burned by SEO guys before, or if you're just tired of running ad campaigns in between and managing your service advisors and your tickets, then stop asking yourself what tactic is missing and start asking who's actually managing your digital marketing. If you want a second opinion, we'll do some of that market research for you on your specific shop, your area, and your competitors and show you exactly where your biggest leak is. And you can get that at addi.me/jumpstart. That's addi.me/jumpstart. Because at the end of the day, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying another one-off service. Every single shop needs local SEO, active Google Business Profiles, strong website content, fresh reviews, accurate citations, local service ads, social media, all feeding into AI visibility. And the trick isn't choosing between them. It's managing how much of each specific service or each specific aspect your specific shop needs right now to keep the base full. That's digital marketing management. That's AA shop marketing. And hey, if you have ADHD and you didn't catch the intro a few moments ago, I'm still Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. So hop over to addi.me/fuel for more practical auto repair shop digital marketing insights. Again, that's addi.me/fuel to grab more practical auto repair digital marketing insights.